Hi, this is Dr. Jamie West with West Functional Chiropractic, and I want to tell you why vitamin D is so important. When we look at vitamin D and we look at our values, medical lab values show that it should be between 30 and 100. But when we look at where things are functioning perfectly, the functional lab values are between 60 and 80. So if you see them below that, it means that they are too low, that the body's not able to work perfectly. But if it's below 30, then we know you have a deficiency, and we don't want to operate in that world. So we want to look at where are things perfect and how do we get them there if they're not. First of all, why is vitamin D even important? Vitamin D is known as a sunshine vitamin. It's actually thought of as more of a hormone. So in patients with anxiety, depression, people that have thyroid issues, where we have increased fat storage, we see vitamin D deficiencies. We also know that between 60 and 80, that if there's cancer in the body, it can't necessarily metastasize. So there's another reason. It'll help with weight loss. It'll help with anxiety, depression, with mood, with immune function. It's the number one thing to keep as high as possible. So we also know that morning sun is best. But let's talk about nutrition and vitamin D. So when we eat the standard American diet and we have all of those white, processed, sugary, floury foods that come out of boxes and out of drive-through windows, we know that those are not necessarily the healthiest thing. But let's look what happens when vitamin D or when sunshine hits our skin. We can't use those things for foodstuffs because it's not nutrition. They're chemicals. So what happens when we eat a healthy paleo diet? We have lots of colors in our diet, bell pepper, we have spinach, blueberry, strawberry, all of the wide rainbow of colors that God gave us. When vitamin D hits our skin after we've eaten those, our bodies can take the nutrients from all of those colors, those fruits and vegetables, and they can use them to provide fuel and nutrition for our body. That's when you start seeing health turn around. So we need vitamin D from sunshine in the morning. You want as much of your skin exposed as you can. You want to make sure that you're eating colorful vegetables and fruits, a wide variety of them, nothing out of a box and nothing out of a drive-through window. That's not where health comes from. You want to make sure that your vitamin D level is between 60 and 80. So if you need to supplement, but you have to get it up there. Using the lab range that's on your sheet that comes right back from your doctor is not where it should be. So you'll see a lot of autoimmune disease turn around. You'll see a lot of anxiety and depression go away when you start treating with vitamin D and getting it up to where it should be. You'll see increased fat loss. You'll see a healthier body overall. So vitamin D is uber important. Those are the things that you can do to get them up. If this helped you or you know of someone with those issues, please share this video with them.